Good morning, everyone. Shauna, the tax goddess. Now, there have been media agencies and marketing and telephone calls to business owners. It's been insane. Every company on the planet that does the ERTC, the Employee Retention Credit, is vying for this business. Now, when the ERTC first came out, many companies were charging 25% of whatever amount of money you got back to do this work for you. What I think is interesting is now these companies are down to charging about 10%. And I do believe that those fees are going to continue to drop. Basically, there is so much demand for this product. Now, a few things, okay? Tax Goddess does this service for free for our clients. If you are a client of Tax Goddess, we do this for free for you because, to be honest with you, I believe that this is something that every CPA firm should do. Now, you guys know that we specialize in tax strategy, so maybe I've got a little bit of a bias here, but the calculations aren't terribly hard. You just need somebody who understands the rules. So if your CPA is not doing this for you and you're looking for a new CPA, feel free to reach out. But in the meantime, one of the biggest questions that we get is who qualifies for the Employee Retention Tax Credit? Now, I'm going to put a huge caveat on this, okay? This changes. There's the original set of rules and then an updated set of rules and then another set of rules, right? So you need to make sure that whoever you're working with, is working with the most current set of rules. But there's effectively 5 different categories that the ERTC looks at. So the first one is business operations. So you need to have been in operation before COVID-19 occurred, and you either had a full or partial suspension of operations due to government order or related to COVID-19. Now, the other way to look at it is, did you have a significant decline in gross receipts? Now, that's one of the rules that changed. What does significant decline mean? Which periods are you comparing? So definitely something to check with your professional when you're trying to apply for the ERTC. Second category is employer size, okay? The employer cannot have had more than 500 full-time employees during 2019. Okay, so if you're what's considered a large employer, this does not qualify, does not work for you. Third one is eligible wages. So the employer must have paid qualified wages to eligible employees during the eligibility period. Okay, those are 3 rules right there. What is qualified wages? What is an eligible employee? And what is an eligibility period? All of these rules continue to change. So again, make sure that you're checking with your qualified professional who's going to be filing this for you to make sure that they're pulling the right information from the right quarter, okay? I'm going to go to number 4, but I need to come back to fraud here. So number 4, eligible employees do not include owners, family members, and in some cases, highly compensated employees, okay? So this rule and the eligible wage rule are the 2 places where we've seen the most fraud. The government is now going after these companies that were charging you 25%. So let me explain a situation. We've already seen 3 of these. It's a little heartbreaking. Business went to one of these companies that was doing the ERTC credits, taking 25% of whatever was received. The company submitted for the ERTC. The business with the employees got the money, paid the 25% to this provider. The government is now auditing, okay? 3 cases we found where owners were getting the ERTC according to this company. That's wrong. Money has to be repaid, okay? And penalties for falsely filing ERTC. Now, what breaks my heart about this, okay, is that the company that did the work is gone. Fly by night, they're gone. They're nowhere to be found. So the 25%, you gave 25% of the money to that company, you still have to repay 100% plus the penalties and interest for falsely filing the ERTC claim. So guys, this is really super important. Who qualifies for the Employee Retention Credit? Please, 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 if you're not working with Tax Goddess, please work with a reputable firm. I would look for somebody that's been around for at least the past 5 years minimum. Tax Goddess turns 20 next year, but at least the past 5 years, not someone who just set up to work on this business, right? To work on this ERTC. As I said, I've seen 3 cases, 3 completely distinct companies go fly by night. So if anyone has any questions about the ERTC, you are more than welcome to submit specific questions to our FAQ page. I do like filming videos and education, so we do try to help as much as we can. But of course, as you guys know, our specialty is tax strategy. And in our mind, the ERTC is just a basic thing that any CPA should be doing for their clients. So if your CPA isn't, and you're looking for a good CPA plus a great tax strategy team, reach out to us, taxgoddess.com. You can book a call with my team and let's see how we can help. So in the meantime, have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.